Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw alphabets and numbers. Brown color, yellow color, black color, light green color, blue color, green color, orange color, purple color, pink color, sky blue color, light pink color, and red color. Kids, now you draw alphabets. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. T for dog. Kids, now you draw E. E for elephant. F for fish. G for god. H for helicopter. Kids, now you draw I. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for king. L for lion. Kids, now you draw M. M for moon. N for nose. O for orange. P for parrot. Kids, now you draw numbers. And first you draw 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kids, now you draw 6. The numbers of 6. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.